day to come. You don't want to come here on a Saturday or Sunday. It's crazy back here. Okay? If you want, you could always use your right hand to pick up the gun right and then use that to pick up the left hand. And if you go ahead and fit into your yeah. What you want, this is too far. Go like that. Now let's put the magazine in. Okay. With your your right hand, go ahead and pretend that's a slingshot. Pull that to the rear so you can't pull it further and just let go of it and let it go forward. Okay, so you
Couple of bullseyes. Almost.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
You hit them
12,
all.
13. All 17.
All
were on.
17. Good job.